Good afternoon. Welcome to another little video. So again, focus a little bit more on tax because it is still pretty difficult, and we're going to look at a few more difficult problems today, so try and pay attention. So from his monthly salary of 55,000 baht, Nano's employer withholds 6,000 for tax. Okay, so every month his employer, so whoever is paying Nano, keeps 6,000 for him, and that 6,000 is used to pay for his tax. Nano also has deductions of 2,000 baht per month. So at the end of the financial year, how much will Nano have to pay in tax? So first of all, we'll find out what his assessable income is. So how much he actually needs to pay tax on. So his salary is 55. The deductions get taken off his salary, all right? So it reduces his income. So 55,000 minus 2,000, that would be his monthly assessable income. So his yearly one times by 12. So 53,000 times 12, 636,000. So next, we want to work out how much tax he should actually pay. So looking at the table, figure out which bracket he falls into. So it's going to be this one here. So the amount of tax he pays, so in this one here, of his 636,000, 136,000 will fit in here. Okay, that's what this part is here. He pays 15% of that. Okay, 15%. And this is the amount that he paid in these steps here. Okay, so calculate his tax. So he should have paid 15% of 136,000 plus 27,500. So 15% of 136,000 is 20,400. So he should have paid 47,900 baht. That's how much he should have paid in tax. But throughout the year, he has been paying 6,000 every month. So the amount he's already paid is 72,000 baht. So he's already paid 72,000 in baht in tax, but he was only meant to pay this much here. So what happens now? The money comes back to him. He gets what's called a refund. Okay, the money gets returned to him. So the amount of money returned will be 72,000, how much he paid, minus 47,900, how much he should have paid. So work it out. He gets a refund of 24,100 baht. So at the end of the year, the government would say, sorry, you've paid too much. Here's a lot of money. Okay, now in this one, we know Austin paid 32,000 baht in tax for the year. We want to know what his annual gross income was. So how much money did he earn? So first of all, look at the table. We want to work out which tax bracket he would have fallen into. So when you get to this one here, he's already paid 27,500 in tax for the first three brackets. So he's going to fall into this category here. Okay, so you look at where this number lies between any of these numbers in here. So 32,000 is in the middle of these two, so he'll be in this bracket. So 32,000 means he's in that tax bracket there. So now 32,000 minus 27,500. So when he got to this point here, 500,000, he'd already paid 27,500 in tax. So the amount left over, so the difference between 32,000 and 27,500 would represent 15% of all of his income over this amount here. Okay, so 4,500 is 15% of his income over 500,000. And divide it by 15, so 300 would be 1% of his income over that amount. Multiply by 100, 30,000 is 100% of his income over 500,000. So that means his total annual gross income was 500,000 plus 30,000. 530,000 baht. Okay. Now, next. Ginny paid 120,000 baht in tax for the year. What was her monthly salary? So again, we look at the table. 120,000 falls between these two numbers here. So she's in this bracket, 1 million to 2 million baht. Okay. So next, she's already paid 115,000 in all of these. Okay, so that's what this number is here. So the little bit left over, the 5,000 baht, is 25% of her income in this bracket here, her income over 1 million. So 5,000 is 25% of her income. So we want 100% of the income over $1 million, so we multiply it by 4, so 20,000. So her annual income was 1,020,000 baht. We want monthly salary. So that means we need to divide by 12. Okay, so her salary was 85,000 per month. Next one, Pete's employer withheld tax of 4,000 per month, and at the end of the year, he still had to pay more. He had to pay an extra 47,000. How much did Pete receive net each month? So how much money each month was actually put into Pete's bank account? So first of all, work out how much tax he actually paid for the year. So that's the 4,000 times 12. Don't know why there's an extra 0 there. Sorry about that. 4,000 times 12 plus 47,000. So 95,000 is how much tax he paid for that year. So now, just like the other two we just did, need to find out which bracket he falls into. So 95,000 means he is in this bit here. Okay, so he's already paid 65,000 here. So that means that 95,000 minus 65,000, okay, is 20% of his income in this bracket here, which would be his 20% of his income over 750,000. Again, we want 100%, so multiply it by 5, it becomes 100%. So he earned 150,000 in excess of 750,000. So in total, he earned 900,000 in 1 year. We want to know how much he got each month. So first, divide it by 12. Okay, so divide by 12, you get his monthly salary. But he didn't get that actual amount every month because his employer withheld tax of 4,000. So of his 75,000 salary, Pete's boss said, we'll keep 4,000 and that's going to be your tax. So the amount of money he actually got was 71,000. And last of all, Pam has a monthly salary of 40,000 per month. Last year she earned 100,000 in dividends on her shares, so she invested in the share market. She made some money off that. She had annual allowable deductions of 15,000 for travel expenses and 10,000 for other expenses. And her employer deducted 3,000 each month from her salary for tax. Okay, so first we want taxable income. So that's going to be her salary times 12. Okay, so that's the 40,000 baht per month. Plus she earned money on shares, so we need to add 100,000. And then we need to take away deductions. So she had deductions of 15 and 10. So take away 15,000 and 10,000. Work it all out. So 480 plus 100 minus 15 minus 10,000. 555,000 baht. That was her taxable income. Okay, so it's her salary plus her shares, take away the deductions. Calculate the amount of tax that she should pay. Okay, so she falls in that 15% tax bracket between 500 and 700,000 baht. So that means she pays 15% on the money over 500,000 plus the accumulated amount of 27,500. I forgot to put the table there for you this time, sorry. So 15% of 55,000 plus 27,500. So that's 8,250 plus 27,500, which means she should have paid 35,750. Is she entitled to a tax refund? So did she pay too much tax throughout the year? And if so, how much should she get? Well, the amount withheld, 3,000 times 12. So 3,000 times 12, that was the 3,000 each month taken from her salary. So she's already paid this amount. So already paid. Okay, so 36,000, that's how much she already paid in tax. But she should have only paid 35,750, so she's entitled to a refund of 250. So she paid a little bit more than she should have throughout the year, and the government says, sorry, oops, here's a little bit of money back. Okay, I hope this made a little bit of sense to you. If not, ask me some questions in our Zoom lesson on Thursday morning. Have a good afternoon, everyone. See ya.